Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install make.com for dropshipping order data workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official make.com website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one. Log into your make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. Choose the modules you want to use for your dropshipping workflow. Search for and select the e-commerce platform you are using. Connect your e-commerce platform account by following the prompts. Once connected, select the trigger event for when a new order is placed. Configure the trigger settings to suit your needs. Now, add the next module by clicking on the plus sign. Search for the app or service where you want to send your order data. Connect this service by authenticating your account. Choose the appropriate action event for your data workflow. Map the data fields from your e-commerce platform to the destination app. Review your workflow for any errors or missing connections. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. To test your workflow, use the Run Once feature. Monitor the execution to ensure data flows as expected. If everything looks good, activate your scenario by clicking on the Schedule button. Set the schedule according to how often you want the scenario to run. Finally, validate your setup by placing a test order in your e-commerce store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.